a tough one out there today. We saw the contact with Lance, the penalty that followed, and then the additional penalty for not serving that initial one correctly. How do you sum up that day? I know it must be difficult to put into words right now.
Yeah, I don't know. It's shame about contact. Yeah. I didn't notice even that I had contact, so I don't know. It must be by far off or whatever. But yeah, sorry for him. Other than that, yeah, that's it.
What about the weekend as a whole? It just looks like nothing's gone your way this weekend.
Yeah, it's just a shame. Yeah, literally nothing worked this weekend. If something works, something didn't work at the same time. So, yeah, one of the worst weekend. I don't know why, but just struggle with the grip overall. Yeah, that's it.